everyone, welcome to the video today. Today is Monday. I hope everyone's having a great beginning of their week. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about affiliate marketing, and we're going to talk about how you can find affiliate programs to apply for and to start promoting. So obviously there's a bunch of different ways that you can do this, but I'm going to talk about a specific one that I like to do. And it is found within the Wealthy Affiliate platform, which you've heard me talk about numerous times. If you're a subscriber to the channel, then you probably are more familiar with it. This is my back office. This is where I go to do all of my website building, affiliate marketing, even learning and continuing to do training and all that stuff. So within the Wealthy Affiliate platform, there is a great little feature that lets you search for affiliate programs. So I'm going to show that to you today. It is if you sign into Wealthy Affiliate, you're going to see these this menu over here to the left, and right here you see affiliate programs. So we're going to click on that, and this is where you're going to go to do an affiliate program search. One of the reasons I like this is because it's all here in one place. You know, obviously you can go to ClickBank, or you can go to the different affiliate networks and search these things out yourself. But here, everything is all in one. So it's going to go throughout all of the programs available on the internet. So here's just a brief overview. We'll go through it real quick. So you've got your popular categories. These are your popular keywords, the things that are trending right now. This kind of gives you some idea if you're kind of stuck, you can kind of see what's trending and what people are looking for. And then down here, you're going to see this is sorted by high commissions right now. You can sort over here if you'd like. But I'm just going to show you. You see these are all the different ones. You got, this is the different networks. So this is CJ, this is ClickBank. This is where they're available. So right here you see this is a stock investing affiliate program. And so let's say we were interested in that. Here you can see just from this little blurb right here, we've got a commission of between $8.96 to $660, and that it's with ClickBank. You click right here under the View Program Details, and we're going to get a little bit more info. So there's going to be a little small blurb about, kind of a little summary about what the affiliate program is, or what you're going to be promoting. So $31 per month, recurring commission. So it's a recurring, always very important. I always like to look for some recurring. Everything doesn't have to be recurring commissions, but those are always great because as long as they're a customer of this, whatever it is you're selling here, you're going to continue to get that per month. So that's just less work you have to do. So I always like looking for some recurring commissions. And so that's here, high converting and low refunds. The sales page and live one-on-one customer service do all the work while you collect the paychecks. You can also go here to view the website of this particular #1 stock investing club. Okay, if you look below here, we've got the program metrics just kind of summarized here for you in an easy to view area. So the commission, $8.96 up to $660. This is obviously probably with resale, upsells, excuse me. Another important thing is the payout options. You want to make sure that it's offered in the kind of payout that you're going to want. You see PayPal, and we see 5 more. Click on that, and it shows you all of them. So we've also got wire. You can direct deposit, check, ACH, and the Payoneer. You got a commission percentage, minimum payout. This is also very important information to know. So you have to have 5 sales before they'll pay out. Some of them will just give you a dollar amount. So, in order for your minimum payout, it needs to be $50, something like that. Okay, if it's auto approval, the commission currency is in US dollars, and here you're also going to find out what countries it's available in. This one's global, so everybody can do this. Down here we're going to see a couple of reviews, typically about the particular program. Okay, and here you can join from right here. You can either go to ClickBank and look for it yourself, or you can just join right here. This is why I like it. You can view everything together back here in the main area, and you can see all the different things that you can possibly affiliate with. and you can pick from them here and then just join up right away. It's so much simpler. And this is why I call this my back office. This is where everything happens. So let's say, that was just an overview of it. So let's say your particular niche is, like what's popular right now. Oh, what about the keto diet? So let's type in keto. I'll go ahead and put diet in there, I guess. Okay, so we search for keto diet, and it brings up all the things across the entire internet that you can affiliate with. And it breaks it down for you just all in one spot. This is why I love this particular feature here, the affiliate program feature of Wealthy Affiliate. So we've got the Keto Masterclass, low carb weekly meal plans, keto cookbook recipes. It gives you a little bit of a summary here. Okay, 21-day ketogenic diet meal. So let's look under this one. And once again, this is a little blurb about it. All the information about ketosis and how to start a well-formulated ketogenic diet. The program includes all of the foods eaten with specific macronutrient and caloric values. There is a 21-day meal plan with exact quantities of what to eat and when. So your commission is going to be $8.77. Payout, once again, these are the same 5 ones, or 6, I guess. That's how easy it is. You can go and check out any of these, the Keto One Guide to Ketogenic, whatever. There's a whole bunch, there's a bunch of keto stuff in here. But you can kind of pick and choose which ones are important to you and that you want to try to promote. Okay, so that's the keto diet. The keto diet is really going to be a little bit more of your digital products and that kind of thing. But you can also click on, let's check something else out. That would be more of a physical product that you can promote. So let's say your niche is camping gear. So let's go camping. We'll just go with camping. So here you can affiliate with Camping World. You got a 6% commission on, because they're going to have different sales. If anybody goes to Camping World and buys anything, you're going to get 6%. So it depends on the sale. So if they buy, a $300 product, you're going to get 6% of that. If they buy a $20 product, you're going to get 6%. Minimum payout's only $1 here. Here you've only got direct deposit and check, so either one of those. Only $1 minimum payout. Only available in US and US dollars is the commission currency. Once again, you can click here to view the website. So as you can see, there's also a bunch here. You got Yeti coolers you could promote. Sierra, the Sportsman's Guide. There's a ton. I know this because I'm actually in the camping niche. I have a website that's camping, so I'm familiar with a lot of these. So you've got all your different networks that you can see that will help you make a decision. And once again, there's some metrics here you can change. Let's say you're in Argentina. You only want to see what's available in Argentina. You can click on that. These are just things you can use to filter out and just make your search a lot more customized. Okay, so that's kind of it in an overview. I wanted to share this with you because this is how I go about finding a lot of the products that I promote within my different niches. You can find absolutely everything here, and I love the way it's all, you're not missing out on anything. If you just go to ClickBank, or if you just go to AvatLink or something, to one of these networks, and you search for your niche, you're going to find stuff. I mean, don't get me wrong, you're going to find things to promote. But here, you're going to be able to pick and choose from the best and really give yourself a leg up on really making some profit. So like I said, this is through Wealthy Affiliate. It's under the affiliate program area. I'll leave a link to Wealthy Affiliate in the description. Actually, it's always in there, so you can always check that out. This is my #1 program that I recommend to anybody that is in or doing affiliate marketing. This is the premier website and program that you want to be involved with, because it just has everything for you. You want to succeed, and this is going to give you all the tools that you need. So, like I said, I'll leave a link to that in the description again, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you're looking forward to the schedule that I've decided for this channel. If you didn't see my video, I put one out on Friday, this past Friday, kind of outlining what I plan on doing with this channel, and the fact that I'm going to be uploading Monday through Friday, talking about affiliate marketing, and then also some of the easy money-making sites that I like to use, and also doing some reviews on those. So if you're interested in that and you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I would love that, and I would love to help you out in your affiliate marketing journey, or just in your online entrepreneur journey. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one.